Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Okay, we're jumping straight into this video. So right now I'm going to be using the NYX white base primer. This is actually my first time using this primer. What I didn't like about this primer is that I feel like it was kind of moving my eyeshadow, but what I should have did was applied a like white translucent powder on top of it so it can be matte and my eyeshadow, you know, it wouldn't move. So you guys, this is the mask right here that I was inspired by. I will leave all her information in the description box below, so y'all please go purchase. So right now I'm using my Morphe bronzer in the color Blogger, and I'm just gonna pat that brown into the crease of my eye. So this next clip, I'm going to be using that Urban Decay palette. I believe is Born to Run. And I'm going to be using that Rift color. And on my base, I'm going to be using Weekender. So right now, still taking that same palette, Born to Run, and I'm going to use Weekender. This really wasn't giving me the white that I needed, or like the coverage that I needed. So in the other clip, you're going to see me take my BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to be using that color all over my lid. So right now, as you see, I'm going to take that color from my BH Cosmetic. It's Ray Ray palette in the color Nudist, and I'm just going to apply that all over my lid. So I just want to let y'all know about my skin, because in this video my skin looks horrible. Y'all, my skin was breaking out. I'm not sure what broke my skin out, but in this video, like, my skin looked the worst. So this makeup look is going to be very simple, and I'm not going to be trying to put too much makeup on because my face is already irritated and broke out. So that's just a reminder. So now we're moving on to the good part. So now we're going to be starting with NYX Vivid Liner. And when you guys are applying this eyeliner, just be really careful, because this brush on here is really like thin, so you don't want to mess up. So yeah, just take your time. So if you're used to doing liquid eyeliner, this would not be hard for you to do. So yeah, just take your time. So as you can see, I did two parts. I did from the corner of my eye to the middle, and then I just dragged that wing into the rest of the liner. So as you guys can see, I kind of messed up and made the liner a little bit too thick. So in this next clip, you're definitely going to see me trying to use concealer to try to like erase that mark right there, but yeah, it didn't really work. So yeah, like I said, just take your time with it. This is actually my second time, and I feel like my very first time I did it way better. So just for future reference, do not rush, just take your time. So you guys, as you can see, I did it better on this eye because I really feel like that my eyes are really different and slanted different. But anyway, I'm going to use that Garnier makeup remover just to remove that eyeliner, and then I'm just going to reapply it. So now we're going to be moving on to the glitter. So what you want to do is purchase the duo glue and make sure it's clear. Do not use black glue because black glue is going to seep through those colorful sequins and it's going to look messy. So I'm just letting you guys know that I did not put the glitter through the whole entire liner. I just put it through the middle because I wanted the pink from the liner to be like a pickable type pink, because that was the color of the mask. So this first clip of me applying the glitter, I was totally not in the camera, and then this next clip of me applying the glitter, my camera is going to be out of focus. So when I get to the other eye, you're going to understand a better way and how I place the glitter like on my eyelid. Just like how I'm doing the clear glue on my eyelid, you're going to go in and place that glitter the same way. So if you want more glitter on your eye, by all means, just make your eyeliner thicker. You know, I did mine smaller or thinner just because my face was breaking out and I didn't want that much product on my face. But when I first did it, my liner was thicker so that when you put on your lashes, you're able to see your liner and the glitter as well. So right now I'm just going to be dusting off that glitter, and now we're going to be moving on to the rhinestones. So these rhinestones I actually purchased from Amazon. So when you get them, they're going to have numbers on it which indicate the size of the rhinestone. So when I first place the rhinestones, I'm going to be using the number 10, and the other 3 rhinestones behind that are going to be size 11. So to help me place my rhinestones, I'm going to be using that same liquid eyeliner that we use just to help me line up my rhinestones. So I'm also going to be taking this little tweezer thing, which I'm going to be using to apply the duo glue right on top of that liner. So in this next clip, I'm actually going to be removing those dots because I placed them wrong. I literally had to go back and look at a photo when I first did it because I couldn't remember why I placed them. So one thing that's good about this eyeliner is when it dries, it easily peels off. So right now I'm just going to be placing them in the right spot. You don't want to space them out too much, but have them like, you know, good of a space. So you can put as many rhinestones as you want. Altogether, it was only 4 on each eye. So this is the complete look. Once you add your lashes, everything is going to come together. I initially did film like a foundation makeup routine with this one, but my face was just not acting right. So yeah. So while filming this clip, I totally forgot to put on my face mask. But yes, you guys, I will link her information down in the description box below. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.